ngengaphiwa igama ukuthi uJoshua, ngengaphiwa igama lokuthi uMichael, Michael, simbiza ngoMichael ngendaba. So ziningi angifuna ukunivezela, and they worked for me. Emakhosini, Thokozani, Camagu, Lesedi, Kganya, nikhuluma noMme Onica. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like the page. Ngizokhuluma briefly kancane. If ngingakhuluma ngejourney yami angeke ngicede. I-Bible size. I remember correctly, apparently umama, sicale kumama sabhabhadiselwe Ziyoni. Then Ziyoni, umama wayemziyoni uthe makahamba emhlabeni, angimazi ke, kodwa ke kuthiwa I was 5 years, kuthiwa okay sayiswa kugogo, kugogo kubaba, sakhuliswa ubaba, ugogo wayesonto Methodist Church, sathola i-independence. As you growing up, saya saya ebazalwaneni, from Methodist Church ekubazalwane, which is I've gained a lot, praying, also understanding iBhayibheli, which is iBhayibheli. Yes, we've got many churches, but it's all about interpretation. So what is happening, because isonto likamoya elivumela idlozi nengelosi nalo liyafunda the very same Bible efundwa ebazalwaneni, ukuthi nje le debate ehlezi yenzeka angi-understand ukuthi eyani, because of umuntu nomuntu une-assignment yakhe yokuthi ayichube. It's all about you ukuthi uneliseke emoyeni. But namhlanje sizithola ukuthi we are debating ngoJehova ngeBhayibheli, siphenduke onkulunkulu thina self. I remember correctly, I was functioning with kingdom yami as a Christian. Angizange ngibe umuntu onar, bengu-worship team. Isonto before livula, bekuba yithi esikhulekela phakathi esontweni, and also intercessor, you know. So I was kuningi engukudefeatile through prayer and ne-guidance ka mfundisi wethu. I remember correctly, umfundisi aletha Indian woman, pastor wethu beku colored guy or Clement, and then what happened, alethe that Indian woman owaye a prophet. So ubesi nuka sonke. Mina ngicakekile when it comes to abazalwane, because mina my calling ngitshelwe ngiphakathi esontweni ebazalwaneni. So this Indian woman uqale wa prophesize thina laba be worship team, be worship team. And then what happened, wangena ke isikhathi sami sokuthi ngitshelwe kukhona, there's a woman besithanda ukulwela imic, ngifuna ukucula nayo yena, ufuna ukuthi ahlezi asiculela ngaso sonke isikhathi, kube uye ofuna ukucula ngoba nathi sithi sinama voice, nathi sifuna ukudumisa. So that woman besine tension ethize, and that woman she is a prayer warrior. So what happened, into ekhona engiyenzile ukuthi uthe makafika kimi this Indian woman wathi kimi nginesipho samalimi. You must pray in tongues. You must pray in tongues, and also you must prophesy. Phakathi enkonzweni yabazalwane, I was a Christian. I was saying idlozi liyidemon. And believe me, bengiphila. While I was saying idlozi liyidemon, bengiphila ngeengelosi zakhona. Ngengaphiwa igama ukuthi uJoshua. Ngengaphiwa igama lokuthi Michael. Simbiza ngoMichael ngendaba. So ziningi angifuna ukunivezela. And they worked for me. And they're still working for me. Kwafika isikhathi ke sokuthi ngiyolanda ke manje. Angithi sengiyiphevile indlela yami, ijeni yami sengiyiphevile ngomkhuleko. Sengidinga kuphi? Enkabeni kwimpande yami. So, mayifika kwimpande yami, it will also need ukuthi ngizithole ukuthi ifika kanjani? Fika ngamaphupho. Lo ukuthi manje nami I'm somebody or researcher. Today I know how to explain my dreams because of I've got inquiring mind. I don't know umoya bothi search, get more information. Ungene ngisho nakuQuran, ngena konke. A closed mind, it's a dead mind. So iyafika isikhathi sokuthi hamba empandeni yakho. Icale kwaba yi-struggle. Same applies remember angizange ngithola ibusiso leze ngizithola manje because of angikahlanganisi yonke into. Ngangiye prayer warrior phansi kwenhlupheko ngizwe kahle. Kodwa ngithema sengihlanganisa, time is short, kodwa ngithema overall yakhona ngithema ngithatha from a prayer warrior ngihlanganisa nabakithi, impande yabakithi. Manje sengilungisela buphi abakithi. La kungcole khona ngiyalungisa, la kumosheke khona ngokamoya. Kula ke ngacala ngaphila ngabangaka. Njengoba ngulesimo lesi cause abanye iphele peace iyiphazile kufanele ihlangane. Namanje because of I'm open minded, ngi-open ngayo yonke into ezayo. Khambe kufike ngisho namabutho wesezizweni bacele ukuthi sindlulisele umlayezo enganeni zikamoya nesedlozini. Inhlakanipho yakamoya ichamuka lapho. Angibhayi nesikele emseni hayi ukuthi ngiyazipraise, inhlakanipho kamoya isichamuka lapho. Awamani amabutho engelosi achamuke nje. Kufike nje ingelosi noma ithonga lezulu noma sithi abaseswatini abomNazaret bafika cause ngivulekile. That's why ngeke ungithola ukuthi uyinyanga noma umprofiti uyini. Ngizibiza umhlambululi uJohn the Baptist ngoba mina wonke umuntu ozayo kimi ahlambulula. Sengiyazi ukuthi hayi mangeza kuthiwa hlambulula lo muntu. Emakhosini Thokozani Camagu Lesedi Kganya sizochubeka sikhulume. So please asiyekele ukulwa because of mina about my calling ngitshelwe straight phakathi enkonzweni yabazalwane. Lesedi Kganya. Please don't forget to like and also subscribe. Amen. Thokozani.